The Computer-Controlled Fire Retardant Dispersal System, or FRDS, deployed on air tractor firefighting aircraft is unmatched in making precision retardant drops. Air tractors' fire retardant systems actively control the door angle to maintain a constant retardant flow rate. During extensive independent testing performed by the California Department of Forestry and the Bureau of Land Management, the air tractor delivery system proved to provide extremely consistent ground coverage levels and ground pattern width. The FRDS unit's ability to control the rate of retardant flow and lay down a consistent ground width is unsurpassed in the industry. The liquid flow rate and delivery amount is controlled based on pilot input settings, liquid level in the hopper, and the acceleration of the aircraft. The computerized system controls the doors in real time to compensate for the rapidly changing conditions encountered during retardant delivery. This video is intended to familiarize the viewer with the operation and features of the first-generation fire retardant dispersal system. Air Tractor is committed to ensuring that air tractor operators and pilots are well trained and consistently achieve superior results during firefighting operations.